Are you looking to skyrocket the growth of your house cleaning business? Awesome! This is the right video for you. In this video, we are going to cover exactly what you need to do to advertise your house cleaning business and get more customers. And guess what? We're not going to do this with expensive marketing or budgeting or anything like that. We're just going to talk about the simple tips that you can put into action that are going to help you attract more local customers for your house cleaning business. Now, you can do this even if you don't have a big budget for advertising, even if your business is brand new, even if you have been around for a while and you're just starting to look for ways to skyrocket growth. This video is going to be for you and help you figure out ways to attract more customers for your house cleaning business. So let's jump right into it. But before we do, why is this something you have to focus on at all? Well, here's the thing. Way too many people make marketing seem expensive and they make it seem really, really complicated with all that types of metrics and things like that you have to follow. We're not going to do any of that today. What we understand is that house cleaning businesses are an awesome business, but what keeps people from getting going is that it's hard to find customers and figure out ways to consistently attract customers. Sure, you can get some referrals, but sometimes that referral feed dries up and you have no way to keep leads coming in to keep your business sustainable, which leads to a lot of house cleaning business kind of flopping. We don't want that to happen to you. So what you have to do, and the reason we're making this video, is to talk about the ways you can build in the consistent strategies that help advertise your business on a regular basis without breaking the bank so that you get consistent customers coming into your business. So let's break it down and jump right into this. Okay, first up, you have to get listed locally in local business directories. It's like putting your business on the neighborhood maps. Use Google Business Profile, Yelp, and local directories, right? And you want to put your name, address, website, and phone number consistently on all those directories. Now, there are tools that you can use to do that. So if you're using Mighty Sites for your website, just select the Boost program and we will list your business consistently across all the major local directories. That's going to help Google bring you up more often, and it's going to help customers find your information more easily and readily when they're using a search engine to find a house cleaning business. Okay, next up, tip number 2, let's sparkle on social media, right? So create a business Facebook page and an Instagram account. Here's the thing, even if you rely on referrals, what's going to happen is people go research online before they buy from someone or hire someone for a service. They're going to look at your social media profile and just see a little bit about you. Share before and after cleaning photos and share some pictures of your team, of yourself, so it gets people comfortable understanding who you are and what you're going to bring to the table for your service. All right, number 3 is good old-fashioned flyers. Yes, they still work. Hand them out in local community centers, pin them on notice boards in supermarkets, make them colorful and catchy. So messages like, "We love to do the cleaning that you hate," things like that, where it really resonate with people, make them catch your eye, and then want to hire your business. All right, next up, start a referral program, right? Referrals are really important, but add some fuel to that fire. Offer your current clients a discount when they refer a friend. That way it's like having a bunch of people that you're working with that are also doing a little bit of advertising for you because they're referring people to you. Do like refer a friend and get 10% off your next clean. All right, number 5, stay involved in your community. Sponsor a local event, participate in a charity fundraiser. It shows you care about more than just business, that you're a part of the community fabric. That goes a long way because when people see you're investing in them and their community, they're more willing to refer your business and invest in your business's success. All right, 6, you have to encourage happy customers to leave online reviews. Positive reviews help with everything. They tell potential customers this business is trusted and does a great job, and Google likes businesses that have a lot of positive reviews. It makes you more likely to come up when those potential new customers are searching things like house cleaning service near me. All right, and number 7, you need to partner up with other local businesses. Maybe partner with like a gardening service or hardware store. It's like making friends in the business world that'll help you spread the word. They might let you leave your business cards at the counter, things like that. You never know what's going to happen when you start partnering with other local businesses. And if you can get them to link to your Mighty Sites website from their website, it's also going to tell the search engine that you have a really legitimate business in the community, which is going to help your business come up more when people are Googling for house cleaning services. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I put the link down below to a $9 a month Mighty Sites website for your house cleaning business. If you don't have a website, it's the best, easiest, simplest, most professional way to get your business online. That's going to help people find you, and it's got a lead form so we can keep those leads coming in for your business. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips. Till then, we'll catch you in the next video.